Hi guys, this is Lawrence from Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. This is Hiya. How you doing? You right? This is a little video about the Eonon UA12s Plus, the 6GB variant. I've got to say, I've pretty much had this about a month now, and I've already got 4 updates. One of them was the major Android 13 update. I've got to say that they're actually quite good. This one, I'll let you know how it goes. Obviously, I don't use the Android Auto on this headset. I've got my own that I use from the car. But here you go. Here are the release notes for the new update. I literally just got it today, so let's hope there's some good stuff here. I've got to say, these people are actually rivaling Samsung and all the other, the Android mobile and mobile phone and tab companies with the updates. I've got to say, good job, Eonon. Let's hope, if anything, you know what, I'd make some suggestions. Eonon, if you're listening, this is basically a tab. Add some tab, functions in, like gesture controls, like swipe up to leave, up and hold to, because I'm using an extra application right now which doesn't really work that well. Up and hold, maybe swipe up and hold to go back, or that for recents. It'll be nice to not have to use this and just use my fingers like I do on a normal tab. So bear with me and let's see what the new functions are. Okay, so we've got them here. Split screen optimized call quality, added CarPlay and androidauto buttons options to the steering wheel button function settings. That's actually really good. Added adjustable reversing warning line function and updated DSP settings interface. Gotta admit, I do know quite a bit, but I have no idea what DSP means, but we'll soon find out. Bear with me. Be right back. Right, so we're going to update now. This should only take a couple of seconds. I am curious to find out this adjustable reversing warning line function, and the split screen function. So it's updating. It'll take a bit of time, so bear with me. Be right back. So okay, so just before I go any further, after my last video, which I'd done an update while I was filming it, I didn't realise, but then the bass had changed after the update. So I went into my amplifier here. This is where all the sound settings are. So you don't even have to go into settings here. You just go straight to amplifier, which is a separate app on its own. And they've literally changed the whole interface, which I gotta say, good on you guys. Absolutely amazing. So, there you go. It's all changed now. And I really, really like it. I really like it. Good on you guys. It is amazing. Good on you. Thank you very much. You change everything, and if you know what you're doing as well, which I pretty much don't, I just know how I like it to sound, and I've got it just the way I want it. So let's go and have a look. First thing is, they've added Android Auto. So if I long press on this, okay, and then I click on it again, for my long press, I'm not going to do it because it will just ruin everything I've got already set up, and I love the way of it. But from what I understand, that's your Android Auto CarPlay there. So you can put it to your controls now. You can program it to your controls, which is good. Digital sound processing, which I had to look up to see what that was, but I'm guessing is that. They've fixed it up. Yeah. There you go. Really, really good. Really nice. What were the other stuff? I can't remember the other stuff. Let's go into the settings and have a look. Let's go right down to system. I can't remember what it was. Let's see if about machine maybe. Android 13. No, it doesn't say anything. What does that give me? You know, on your normal phone you get the you can go into developer mode, but for some reason you can't on this Android. No? Is there a developer mode here? Did I activate it? No? So if you press on build number, you normally can go into developer mode, but you can't for some reason here. Well, I haven't found a way anyway. Maybe here. Factory settings, extra settings, maybe. No, I haven't found it yet. But anyway, just a little video here to tell you that, you know, you get your updates. It's absolutely amazing. I'm really, really happy with this. I'm really happy with this. Eyes closed, buy it. That's what I'd say. And if I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll get another one. I'll get something else to test out. In the meantime, this is Lawrence from Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. Thanks for watching this little video. Boring as it was, or as entertaining as it was. If you liked it, leave a comment down below. If you need any help, if you got any questions, don't be afraid to ask me any questions down in the comment section. Like and subscribe, and have an amazing day. Bye.